We have an interface student with three properties: ID, name and age. In line number 14, we are using this interface. If I remove one of the property, in the problems window I am getting an error. Property age is missing in the type, but required in the type. So interface properties are required by default. In order to overcome this issue, I am putting a question mark in the age as shown on the line number 4. Now I have overcome this error. TypeScript provides alternate way to overcome this error. In order to overcome this error, we can make use of utility partial function in TypeScript. In line number 14, I am saying partial, and inside the open and close tag, I am declaring the interface student. Similarly, I am doing the same in the argument declaration at line number 7. Even when I declare the property age as nullable, there is a way to enforce it in the usage area. Let us see how to do that. In line number 4, I am declaring the property age as nullable using the question mark, and in line number 7, I am undoing the partial keyword. Similarly, in line number 14 as well. Now I do not see any error in the problem window. But when I use the required utility function and support the argument in line number 7, I am getting the error. The age is necessary. Similarly, at line number 14, when using the interface, I am using the required utility function. So I have to enforce the usage of the property age at line number 17, even though it is declared as a nullable in line number 4. In the print student info function at the line number 8, I am assigning the property age with a new value 23. Now I do not see any errors in the problems window. In line number 7, when I support the argument declaration with the read only utility function, I can see there is an error in the problems window. Cannot assign to age because it is a read only property. If I remove the line number 8, I can see the error is gone in the problems window. In TypeScript, if we do not want to enforce the usage of an interface property where it is used, then we can make use of the partial utility function. In TypeScript, if an interface property is declared as nullable and still we want to enforce its usage, then we can make use of required utility function. If we do not want the value of the interface property to be changed during the execution, then we can make use of read only utility function.